ING promotion, and I'm about to tell you how it worked. We did this 3D effect, so it looks like you're gonna fall into the hole when you're walking on the rope. And people actually stopped while the artist was painting because they wondered if he had drawn the whole picture, so we sometimes had to explain that he was like over painting it. But most people knew the effect from an email that's somehow going around. Street artists are about painting this apparently. And well, families really enjoyed it because their kids were like on it, and I don't know, they really liked it. So afterwards we print them the picture, it's a Polaroid picture, so it's right away, which they really like, and it has the ING logo below. And they take the souvenir, and when they look at the picture they see the ING logo, or they show it around, so I think it's a good way to have ING everywhere.